How to make a new Apple account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. You can also use other browsers for this. Once you're here, type appleid.apple.com into the address bar and press enter. On this page, tap on the down arrow button at the top right corner. Here, tap on Create your Apple account. You can now start creating your Apple account from here. One Apple account is all you need to access all Apple services. Enter your details over here such as first name, last name, country, birthday, phone number, and more. After that, type the characters in the image below and then tap on Continue. Following these steps, you can easily make a new Apple account on iPhone.